Hi, I'm Alan Rodrigues, and welcome to this course, a deep dive into AWS Lambda. I'm a software engineering specialist with more than 10 plus years experience in the IT industry, with a lot of the experience catered to working with a well-known, renowned airlines, that's Emirates Airlines. At the moment, I'm managing my own startup company. Now, I'm kind of a certification buff. I have numerous certifications to my credit. The most recent ones being the associate level certifications from Amazon. Since I also manage a handful of projects, I also pursued my passion as a project management professional. And I do continue to pursue certifications because it not only helps me keep in touch with the technology, but also keeps me on my feet. Now, this course will consist of a complete overview of how we are going to approach serverless computing using the Lambda service which is available from AWS. This is what we're going to learn. So first we're going to have an introduction. Here we're going to see an introduction to what is serverless computing and why do we need serverless computing. Next we're going to see the AWS Lambda service. We are actually going to see how to build a function in AWS Lambda, how do we build it, and then how do we deploy it. Next we're going to see the integration between AWS Lambda and the simple storage service. We're also going to see integration between AWS Lambda and the DynamoDB service. Both of these services, the simple storage service and DynamoDB, are important services, and the integration with AWS Lambda is equally important. And next we're going to have some design and deployment considerations for AWS Lambda. Now, why do we need serverless computing? Well, I just have three words. So first is automation. The world is going towards automation. How quickly can you design, develop, and deploy your systems? So if you have serverless computing where you don't have to provision infrastructure, you can speed up the process of deployment wherein automation. Next is gives the breadth to agility. So more and more businesses want features to be deployed in an agile and fast manner. The best way? Through automation. And finally, the keyword DevOps. So by integrating both development and operational aspects and reducing the infrastructure needs and having serverless computing, it's a benefit to any organization. So what are the course goals? Well, first we're going to understand what are the benefits of serverless computing. This is for the student has to understand in depth. Next, we'll see how to get started with the AWS Lambda service. We're going to see how to use the AWS Lambda service with the other key services. We're going to have a further understanding on the AWS Lambda service itself, so an in-depth knowledge on Lambda. Now that we know what lies ahead, let's jump right into the course.